Chapter 1004. I will have to say it's not one of the greatest chapters of Wano. It was kind of slow. Nothing really happened in this chapter. We got
Yeah,
to
I think
see all the other Straw
it was
Hats and what's happening with them. I expected a
yeah,
bit
and we
more from Sanji. I thought he would use his red suit, but he got himself captured as usual. I,
no, but
man,
no,
why doesn't he just use his fucking red suit and escape? Why does like Oda doesn't have to every other arc tell us that Sanji will never hit a woman, and he
yeah,
doesn't have to do this every other arc. We already know that. But regardless,
as we predicted last time, it is the same that like we are not gonna like he's not gonna show us Kaido's hybrid form and just talk about rest of the Straw Hats, what's going on with them,
yeah,
to
yeah,
use this.
we already knew that. We already knew that he wasn't going to show us Kaido's
But
hybrid form
but
this chapter.
no, but in this chapter, according to me, Otama had a really good part. Like like her
Yeah, I'm not
character
denying that.
development,
I'm not denying that at all. She did her thing.
and
That's yeah.
and according to me, in this chapter, her her power is looking so overpowered to me.
But we are yet to find out whether that power works on zone users, full on zone users. It has only worked till now on all the gifters.
Yes.
I think
No,
it's
but
going to work.
if her ability can be used
Yeah.
on animals, so it can be applied to zone users too because they are animals. At a certain extent, they are animals. So
Yeah,
according
they
to
are
me,
animals, yes. But
yeah,
yeah, I think that yeah, they are going to tame Page One and Ulti. I mean that would be interesting if Page One is tamed and he fights Ulti. And Ulti is not tamed and that's how they take care of them. But I didn't like what Oda did with Sanji this chapter. I really didn't like.
yeah,
I mean,
like sometimes Sanji doesn't look worthy enough to be a third commander. I don't know.
third commander or he's a second commander. He's,
No,
he's not the
second
third
commander.
commander.
No,
He's the second
definitely
commander.
Jinbei
Jinbei
is
is the third one now.
no,
Second is
but
you. Huh?
no, but sometimes he doesn't look even worthy enough to be a third commander.
Yo,
Sometimes.
what's up? Yo, what's up?
Yo,
I'm
Yeah.
not disappointed in today's chapter by any means, but this was not the best
what a
chapter in
man.
Wano.
Yeah, of
Of
course, it
course,
wasn't
like
the best.
But I think this chapter,
it was supposed to
but
be.
yeah, exactly. But I think this chapter has to be important because this chapter is foreshadowing how Luffy will win against Kaido, right? Because of Kaido's all crew members are working against him.
Yeah.
Not all of them.
But do
Not
you
all of them, of course, but yeah,
Only the
majority of
gifters,
them are yes,
the
all the
parters,
yes, of course.
no?
the part.
But do you think like will it have any effect on Kaido at least?
Not a significant effect, but I think it's more than enough to weaken him.
Maybe no,
His
maybe
forces,
down,
not him.
no, no,
Yes,
no,
his
no. Maybe
forces.
maybe down on Onigashima, like
Hmm.
the war of Onigashima,
Hmm.
down there. Maybe they'll win, but Kaido or like I don't think it will budge them.
Yeah,
No, it will
we'll just
weaken
have to see if
Kaido's.
it works on zone users or not. Because if it works on zone users, it will work on Kaido. And there has been this theory that Tama is going to tame Kaido, and there are some people jumping on that train. But I still
But
don't see that
I don't
happening.
think that would be happening because it would be so anticlimactic, right? Like, dude, Kaido is
Yeah,
this whole ass beast, and I don't
whole
think
as
that's possible.
dragon and got tamed by a pudding. Like
Yes, I don't think
Yeah,
that's probable.
not pudding,
yeah, I
dumpling.
don't think that. Yeah, I don't think that. But I can definitely see Page One or Ulti getting tamed, and they fight each other because they have a brother-sister relationship. So that very well could happen. And Sasuke, I really don't want him to get tamed. I want a full one-on-one with Sasuke versus Frankie. I really want to see that, and also with
Hmm.
Robin and uh, Black Maria. Black Maria, man. Why can't just Sanji use his fucking raid suit? Why can't he just use his fucking
Sanji
raid
is a
suit?
simp, man. He's a simp. That's why.
But so what? So what? That doesn't make any sense. He always does that. he got the red suit in Wano. At least use the red suit while she's beating the shit out of you. At least use
Yeah,
that.
like
You
no,
don't want to
like
hit her.
not okay, not
Yeah,
to
dude.
fight,
But
but at
dude,
least run
here's my
away.
thing. Okay, here's my thing. I
At least.
don't think like, dude. Luffy is supposed to fight. Luffy is supposed to fight Kaido, right? And Zoro is supposed to fight King. In that way, it's probable that Sanji is supposed to fight Queen instead of fighting Black Maria. And I think like Oda is foreshadowing that Robin is the one who will be fighting Black Maria in the next chapter or in the next 5 chapters or something.
No,
Yeah,
but
we already know. Yeah,
no,
Robin
but do
was.
you think?
Yeah,
Continue.
bol.
Bol, bol.
But we already knew that Robin was going to fight Black Maria. We didn't need Sanji to get the shit beat out of him by Black
Yeah,
Maria.
that was. Yeah, I agree.
But
That was kind of useless.
that just looks bad, man. That just happens every other arc. It happened with Khalifa back in Water 7. See, Ennis Lobby. It happened with Viola and Dressrosa. It's happening right now in Wano. Unless Sanji is going to uh,
Even
initiate a change of heart in Black Maria, just like he did with Viola. But Viola was a good person to begin with in the first place. We don't know anything about Black Maria.
Hmm.
So,
Bio.
man,
But dude,
Yeah.
Black Maria, she's a spider, right? What's a devil fruit?
yeah, she's a spider woman. Some
So
kind
she
of
might-
ancient spider.
Yeah, so she might work. So she might prove to be an ally, right? Because she might work against Kaido if we feed her that pudding thing or dango, whatever it's called.
Yeah, if we feed her that. But
But
that didn't happen with Viola. Viola was a good
Yes,
person in the first
yes.
place to begin with. That's why Sanji was able to.
Hmm.
What do you say? Sanji was able to take her on our side. But I don't see that happening with Black Maria.
Yeah, that's highly improbable.
no, but like if Black Maria and Sanji goes on for a while, I don't think he'll be capable enough to fight. Like
Yeah, he will. He will.
he will fight. He will fight.
You think he's going to fight Jack? Sanji is fighting Jack. You believe so?
Jack's out, right? Jack's out of the fight.
We don't know anything right now about Jack, man.
But
He lost to Nekuma Moshi and Inuarashi. But
No,
we
I don't think
know anything.
I don't think Jack is on like Sanji's level, if you know what I mean. Like, dude, Jack already got defeated by Neko, right? Inu and Neko. So I don't think Sanji will be fighting Jack. I think it will be more like Queen.
Queen, because he's a second commander.
Yes.
It has to be. Yeah, it has to
Like,
be.
dude,
Queen.
this is the same thing that happened in Dressrosa, right? Luffy was fighting Doffy, and then all that stuff. Zoro was fighting what was his name, Pika, and Sanji was fighting somewhere else. So yeah, it will be similar.
Sanji didn't really fight anyone in Dressrosa. He fought with Khalifa first in Ennis
Water
Lobby,
7.
and then he went on to fight Jabra, the third strongest in CP0. If
Like,
I'm not
dude, this
mistaken.
is how One Piece works, right? Everyone's fighting everyone on their own level. They are not fighting someone who's stronger or weaker than them.
No, but if Sanji takes on Queen, then Yamato has to take on King, or Marco has to take on King.
Marco has to take on King, but in this chapter we saw King. We didn't see Marco. He wasn't fighting Marco. So what the
No,
fuck
here's
is
the thing.
Marco doing?
No,
Marco
but-
has
no, but-
Marco is good at regenerating, right? His fruit is not that offensive. So I think it's impossible him to defeat King. He can definitely regenerate himself.
It's not impossible.
Nah, it's not impossible by any means, but it's just it must be difficult, right? So I think Marco will be assisting Zoro to fight King.
No, Zoro is up fighting Kaido. How will he fight King after defeating Kaido?
After
There's
defeating,
no chance.
I don't
Yeah.
see Zoro fighting
No.
King after
No,
fighting
that-
Kaido and then defeat him one on one.
No, that
Marco-
makes sense actually, because there must be a reason why he has Enma with him.
Yeah, he got Enma to scar Kaido.
Yeah.
That's why he got that. That's why he got Enma.
Yeah,
he
he
got
did.
Enma to scar Kaido.
Yeah, he didn't got Enma to scar King.
Yeah, he got Enma to scar Kaido.
And Zoro is up fighting Kaido. So do you think he'll be even alive to fight King?
No, he'll definitely be alive, but he won't be in the condition to defeat the first commander after fighting Kaido.
Be alive. But like
I don't think, no,
maybe
absolutely not,
maybe
absolutely
maybe
not,
in a state of fighting king.
no,
And
absolutely not.
by the time they defeat Kaido or Kaido defeat them, the whole raid is gonna end by that time.
Like, dude, as we discussed in our last video, that Luffy winning against Kaido is like highly improbable. But I think if in some case Luffy wins against Kaido, then I think everyone will be exhausted, right? Because Kaido and Big Mom, they are super powerful.
Yeah, he will almost be dead, almost dead.
Nearly dead.
Yeah, nearly dead.
Badly
Let's
alive.
just not, let's just stay on topic here. I was talking about Sanji and his
Okay,
portrayal.
do you guys think Otama will be Momo's wife? Like I don't know, but like
I don't think she will die.
No.
I don't think she will die. I think her power is.
no, she won't die. I'm saying that when Momo will be the shogun, she will be his wife.
Yeah, I can definitely see that happening. Yeah, I think she's going to join the crew. Momo, Tama, and Yamato. All three are joining the crew, according to me.
Yeah,
But they
to
just
safeguard Wano and not go on a journey.
yeah.
Dude,
Yeah,
dude, here's the thing. Momo
I
is
can
the
see that.
rightful shogun of Wano country, right? So if Momo and Tama, they both join Luffy's crew, then who is supposed to look after Wano then?
So
Yeah, well, let's just not talk about. Let's just not talk about that. Let's just.
what
Do you
what
think
do
that? Do you wait a minute? Do you think that Tama's ability is going to work on Ulti and Page One?
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't know.
I mean, dude, Ulti and Tama, what Ulti and what's his name? What's her name? Page One, right?
Page One.
They are like
Page One.
super powerful, and they are not like just some normal gifters. So I don't think it will work on them.
How does that matter? But they are animals.
Yeah, it might or it might not. I don't know. It's
Yeah,
up to Oda, right?
to work? It has to
Yeah,
work.
I think it has to work because that's the reason she's here at Onigashima in the first place. She
Mhm.
got introduced in the first chapter of Wano
Mhm.
itself. In the first chapter of Wano, she was introduced, and her power, after seeing her power, Luffy said that it's a very handy power. It's broken, so she has
Like,
to
dude,
play some kind of a big
as
role.
as we know, Ulti is one of the Tobi Roppo, right? The strongest six.
Yeah.
So if the strongest six, if all of the strongest six characters in One Piece, like of course of the Tobi Roppo, join forces against Kaido, then I think there will be something which is like
Them,
unfair,
Yes,
which will be unfair against Kaido.
I don't think each one of them will
Yes,
get
only
tamed. I think
a few of them. Only a few
either
of them.
either Ulti or Page One of them will get tamed and will fight the other one. That's how Usopp and Nami will escape, and Frankie will fight Sasuke one-on-one,
Hmm.
and Robin will fight Black Maria. Sanji will escape somehow. He will go on to fight King or Queen. Marco will fight King, and that's just how it's going to go. That's what I think.
Hmm. Makes sense.
Makes sense. But what do you think if so the mysterious character at the end? Do you think it's a man or it's a woman? Who do you think it is?
It's something. I don't know.
Yeah, of course it's something. What the hell?
it has to be someone.
Someone, not something.
Yeah.
It looks like a man to me, man. It looks like a man. It looks like he is.
Somebody else. It's somebody else. Yeah, this of course looks like a man to me too, but in this frame, in the above frame, we see everyone fucked, right? Like, dude,
Yeah,
there's
everyone.
Kinemon and there's Inu and there's everyone else, and they are getting fucked. So I think
But what's it?
this has to be someone who is related to all of these, right? All of these above characters.
Yeah, he's related to. He knows the scabbard. He or
Hmm.
she, whoever it is,
Hmm.
knows the scabbards very well,
Hmm.
and I think he's helping them. Yeah, he's definitely helping them, and
Hmm.
it says that there are 10 of them in that room. There are 10 of them, but
Yes,
remember
I've noticed that.
that there are only 8. That there are only 8 scabbards.
Hmm.
There were 9 scabbards, but
Hmm.
obviously Kanjuro
Kanjuro
got
betrayed.
taken out.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kanjuro got taken out, and there were 8 of them fighting Kaido.
Hmm.
So there's supposed to be 8 of them in that room, but there are 10. So
Wait, so I'm
Who-
seeing Kinemon. I'm saying I'm seeing Kinemon. I'm seeing Inu. Other than that, I'm seeing what's his name? Asura. I'm seeing Asura. I'm seeing this lady.
Every eight one of every all the 8 scabbers are there, but
so there's someone missing, right?
Yeah,
Wait, where's Kyoshiro? Where's Kyoshiro? Is he there
he's
too?
right there.
Yeah, he's there.
Yeah,
too.
everyone's there. This looks like NL. Initially, it looked like NL to me, but it can't be NL. There's no fucking way. There's no way. It's NL.
Yeah, Enel is definitely powerful, but in the context of what happened to him against Luffy, I don't think he's powerful enough to help someone in this arc.
It doesn't matter powerful enough or not. How the hell is NL in Wano in the first place?
That makes no
Nothing
sense.
to do with it. It has nothing to do with Wano.
He's completely
To be
unrelated, I get it.
To be honest, even I thought it's NL.
It does look like NL, man. The theories are going to be wild. Everyone is going to claim that it's this.
Okay, so here's now
Is NL born on Skypiea?
No, he didn't born on Skype. I was just talking to you about this in the morning, wasn't I? He
Okay, so
wasn't
dude,
born
here's the
on
thing.
Skype, yeah.
I don't know who he is, but he or she definitely has long hair, right? And
Yeah,
he's
I was thinking it is Lady Toki, Oden's wife, because she has the ability to travel into the future. She might have traveled into the future the day that they are gonna win.
Yeah,
maybe.
that's a good theory. That's a really good theory.
It could be Lady Toki, but
even if she traveled in the future, what would she do? Like, what's the use of her?
she would see Kaido fail. She would see Kaido fall in front of her.
Yeah,
Kaido literally killed her
that
husband.
seems fair, but that also seems something which is like, improbable to me at least.
Improbable. Then
No, Lady Toki, it is possible, but yeah, exactly as you said, what's her purpose to be there? Like, I know her power is really awesome,
her purpose, right?
but it's not offensive. It's not offensive.
Yeah, it's not wild, but Lady Toki, if you know, she's from the Void Century. She's from the Void Century, and she traveled from the Void Century.
So what's the relation here and of Void Century?
She might give us some information regarding the Void Century at the end of Wano, or something related to the Void Century. I don't know.
She can, but what's her purpose right now in the mid of the fight?
As I said, she came to witness.
Even if she
came to witness the Scabbards win and Kaido fall. She came to see that in the future. She sent herself into the future. She sent Momo into the future, but she sent herself into the future a little bit ahead. You know what I'm saying?
it is
So you don't think it's
possible?
Toki?
No, I think it can be Toki. It can be.
It can be.
She can be. Not it can be. She can be Toki though.
She can be Toki. And who is
I don't know.
it?
To be honest,
Yeah,
I have
rest
no
of
idea
the-
who it's gonna be.
Who could it be?
No, like I don't know. At the first glance, I thought it is Rayleigh or Shanks, but
Rayleigh?
not Rayleigh. Rayleigh has beard, mustache,
Shanks.
and everything. Even Shanks has, so it can't be them.
I think it's
Dude, it would be crazy if this is Shanks. If this is Shanks,
yeah.
this would be a serious deal.
this is definitely not Shanks.
It's not Shanks. I don't think so.
If Shanks is here,
But
it's
not Shanks,
over.
I know.
It's over. If Shanks is here, it's over. It's definitely not Shanks.
No, but it means if Shanks is here, then it is that Blackbeard can come here. Let's not get into that.
Blackbeard,
At least not right now.
Yeah, Blackbeard. Yeah, it's not Shanks. I don't think it's Shanks. Definitely not. Who could it be then? Man. And there's a break too, so that doesn't help either. Fuck that. Fuck that shit.
No, because everyone's because all the superpowers are in move right now. World government is in move. Blackbeard is in move. Two Yonkos are present right here. Blackbeard is on move. Revolutionaries are on move. So
Yeah.
it is possible that Shanks,
Wait,
even
wait, wait,
Shanks
wait,
is on move, but we don't know where.
Dude, what if this is
Yeah, I think Shanks is definitely on the move to stop Blackbeard. That's
Dude,
what I
what-
think. He's
dude.
definitely.
Yeah,
What-
exactly.
what if this is
Like,
Kuzan?
let's not get there to like Blackbeard and Shanks theory. It can be a different video, but yeah.
Yeah, it's a video of a whole on its own. Let's just not go into. What do you think we see next chapter?
Yeah, same. Like about Straw Hat, or maybe some history. I don't know.
I think
If-
the next chapter is going to be about like it will be the same according to me. It will be building up for the final fight. Now this is the final
This
fight, I
is-
know, but the main climax, the main thing.
I hope we see Marco and Sanji
Yeah.
get freed. Man, I hope
And
we see Sanji get freed.
I want to
somehow.
see more of Marco because Marco is like
yeah, Marco to be honest is one of the MVPs here.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. I think he's the second strongest. He could be the second strongest among us, among the allies. Very well could be after Luffy.
among us. Yeah.
Yeah, after Luffy,
Yeah.
he has to be the
Not
Wait, so what about Law? Is Law stronger than Marco?
Yeah, definitely not.
Yeah.
No, Law doesn't hold a candle to Marco. I don't think. I don't think Kid is stronger than Marco, to be honest.
So you are saying that Luffy is the strongest, and after that it's Marco and Zoro and all that stuff, right?
Yeah, after I would say Luffy, Marco, either Kid or Zoro, any one of them. Then I would say
Law and
definitely.
Jinbei, and then Sanji and all
Law,
that.
Killer, Jinbei, Sanji, definitely, and then the Scabbards. Yeah, I think we see Marco. I think we see Sanji get freed, and I think I hope so. I hope so. We
see Robin.
Robin fight Black Maria, and Sanji get up and either fight King or Queen. I mean, he has to fight King or Queen, right? Who else does he fight?
No, if in after this arc, Luffy is gonna be Yonko and everyone will have positions. Like until now, there haven't been any proper positions. But after this arc, according to me, Luffy at least in Luffy's crew, there will be positions given.
You mean commanders?
Like commander. Yeah.
So Zoro, Sanji, Jinbei, and Luffy's
And Yamato.
distance
if
himself
she
from
comes.
everyone. And Yamato, yeah, right. Yeah, Yamato has to
If
come.
she comes.
Yeah, she's becoming my favorite character in one after Oden. It was a 6 out
According
of
to me, this was not that bad because this ended with a whole ass cliffhanger, right? So I don't think this
10.
chapter
It's
was
a
that
big.
bad. It's definitely not.
Yeah, but
because
how
I
do you make a bad chapter not so bad? You add a cliffhanger at the end and that's it.
Yeah.
You can't say that the entire chapter wasn't bad.
Hmm. Yeah, this chapter was
It was.
okay. It was like a 7 out
It
of
was
10 for
okay.
me.
Considering the fact that all of the chapters at Onigashima, at least the last 10 or 15 so have been at least an 8 out of 10 for me.
Hmm.
They are amazing. This raid has been amazing. So this chapter compared to that doesn't really hit that much.
Yeah, but as an overall story, it was a good chapter. Like we have to know what's going on down in the Onega. Like
We got something to work with,
inside
right?
the skull. Inside the skull, we can't see fight. It's not Dragon Ball Z after all.
Yeah, it's typical One Piece. And that's just how always ends.
In order,
Like that now.
I think in order to retain energy, Oda will show the hybrid form of Kaido in the next chapter.
I don't think so.
Nah, not
Because
possible.
we haven't seen it yet.
I don't think we see Kaido
We'll be
again
seeing
until
Kaido soon?
we wrap
Okay.
up all the fights below.